Hey guys, what's up? So I'll show you one thing, okay? I'll show you a place. So it's been a long time that I did a solo trip to Meghalaya, my favorite state in all of Northeast. And check this out, man. Check this out. So like, this is my bike. My Bajaj Dominar 400. And check this out, man. Just out of nowhere, in the middle of the road, we have this beautiful waterfall. That is the beauty of traveling to Meghalaya. Yeah. And these are picnic spots. The locals picnic here. It's a bit dirty, but what can you say? Collateral damage, maybe. I'll take you to the blogger, inshallah. Maja. Amazing, isn't it? Wait. Yeah. I can stand there in the middle of the stone. Yes. Oh, why not? Check this out, man. Beautiful, beautiful waterfall. Yeah, just by the side of the road, see, cars traveling, and there's my bike. Yeah, crazy. Look how happy I look. Don't I look happy, guys? Hey, Allah. And so this place, it's crazy. It's crazy because this whole road is full of waterfalls like this. This whole road. Trust me, guys. Wait, let me cross this slippery place. Oh yes. So this whole road is full of waterfalls. Maybe if I take a walk, I don't know whether another one is nearby or not, but it's like amazing. This road is very bad, so to say. I mean, it's not well paved and all, but who needs well paved roads when you have like waterfalls all throughout the road? Seriously. So what I'll do is I'll just walk for a few minutes and see if there are waterfalls nearby, but there are at least like 10-12 waterfalls on this road. So yeah, crazy. So this road is on the way to Muktapur in Indo-Bangla border. So check this landscape. Oh, I can already hear the sound of another waterfall. Let's go and check that out. Yeah. Crazy place this. Oh yes, I can hear the sound already, can you? Oh yes. Already excited for the fall. I guess you can hear the sound. So yes, check this out, guys. Check this out. Can you see this? It goes all the way up. So lots of spider nets and all. So I can't go very near because it's all full of spider nets, spider webs. But I will go as close as possible, but not falling down. I'm not getting into the webs and the spiders. So check this out. It's like step by step waterfalls. So seriously, like I'm telling you, this whole road is full of waterfalls. You have to be here to believe it, and you have to be here in a time when it's rainy season or just the rains are past. Now it's late October, but still the waterfalls is still full. It's full of water. But if you come in the month of say March, April or February or something, you'll not get these waterfalls. And like all these waterfalls will be empty. But last time I came it was empty, so this time I thought like let's go, visit at a time when the waterfalls are there. The water is there. So yeah, successful trip to the road full of waterfalls near Muktapur. Yeah. So yeah man, pretty cool. Ciao.